Brit, let me ask you something. You hear me? Either me or Lincoln. Which one are you want?
No, need to and I can't stay away in the day.
But I want the blood clot this. No, you just tell me say you want me and me take you back on and sit there.
That they come there. Because me I'm not an idiot. Because any all that they come in a white, like a blood clot over your head. I war in our blood clot bed. I'm swear who the fuck is chippy here? Call me chip. I'm a chop. I'm a chippy.
So me a chippy you chip or you chop.
Yeah. No, but at least none of them man they can say they did take a diamond from under my foot. Me still have a diamond in my pouch.
Lincoln.
The diamond
But
like
you
a
kiss
kangaroo.
Lincoln.
Yeah?
But you kiss Lincoln. You flirt with other man, so you kiss Lincoln. You should kiss Lincoln. You should kiss Lincoln.
I should give away cocky. Me don't know where me. You should have wall. I go. I give away. You give away where that got me vex with you for that.
You vex with me. So you not take me back.
Me not take you back because there's a confession good for soul, but the only
so
way,
hold on. So how me take you back?
Take you back. If me and you go for even odds. Right now we think the on odds.
So you want to fuck back for me, Brit?
If you go for even.
So Brit, I fuck you want to fuck back for me?
Well, I fuck for fuck back. What you say?
You fuck for me, I go left you.
Well, you fuck for me, I already left you and gone because I say it I go. All the while I don't want to give woman but I feel like they have to take you back, no?
No, but hear me and say, if you understand, say, you cheat for me and I went and cheat back. And then you cheat for me again.
When you got sons,
babes, when you got sons, my love, listen my love, when you got sons, you and Lincoln supposed to link. I guess the traffic is too thick and in turn back. In next day, you text him and in come on my beer. It was Lincoln's intention to go to Montego Bay. It was your intention for Lincoln come to Montego Bay. So while me and you talking, you invite a man to come at Montego Bay. And then, you did it and you tell Lincoln, say, me not treat you good. If you go to a man place and they tell your man you're sorrow, only thing is the man going to love up you. And say, all right, then we're going to take with the boy, your girl. And the boy take with my woman and come bright about it.
But he did take me away, but Lincoln
so
never want me.
Blood clot.
I'm telling you, come back because that I want to lie to you. No, but Lincoln did not treat me good. You never treat me good. Lincoln call me, check up on me, everything. You never do that. You don't even have my number. You don't even care if you have my number. I go come talk about how much me this and me that. I don't got my number.
But the man, but listen.
Don't be ridiculous now. Let's be honest. Life get real and right now it's real. You don't even have my number. You ever ask yourself why?
You don't have my number?
You send me number because Lincoln force you to give me your number, so I'm not going to link you. I'm not text you because I force you to give me your number, so I'm not going to take you.
Lincoln treat you better than me?
Far because he will sit down and talk to me, but true, in the top talk to me, I don't know because of you. But me tell her how I go, me tell him.
Yeah, them blood clot, you made girl over here say true to Brit. When the man just say Brit take it too far, and Brit when he sees a joke, Brit don't listen to your comment. Brit man never want you, me blood clot want you.
You tell Lincoln didn't want me. Lincoln,
what about the bomber ass clot? This what you made?
Hey, I lie Lincoln I tell. I when Lincoln said that. When Lincoln said that.
What about the bomber ass clot?
Lincoln didn't want me. Lincoln tell me straight say want me, so I don't know where you gonna tell me. Lincoln text me every day, call me on the phone, text me. So till he top text me.